My name is Damien Hudson. I'm the head of IT for SPP Pumps. So SPP Pumps are a global pump solution company. We sell to many parts of the world, 500 employees globally. We sell into different geographical locations and different product streams, being building and construction, oil and gas, dewatering, and obviously our aftermarket business as well. Challenges were, it was a handwritten manual system based on engineers with pads they would fill out manually and fax back to the office, which were then re-entered manually onto our back-end ERP system. Other challenges were areas such as collaboration between engineers, ensuring that it was a first-time fix rate. We had problems. We would send an engineer to site without the right parts. Even the address might be wrong or the postcode. These are all challenges that we had on the old system. The key business driver was to improve cash flow. As you can imagine, because of the manual system we were employing at that particular time, it took a long time for the faxes to come back. For a number of reasons we selected ServiceMax. One being the cloud-based solution. We didn't want to have to worry about the back-end support and security of a system which was on-premise. We wanted the peace of mind that we didn't have to worry about that. The other areas were such as just the functionality matched with what we're trying to achieve. It worked with the iPad, which was our chosen device, quite a quick project, and didn't need a lot of development time from our own internal team. Yeah, so we use SAP. ECC6 is our back-end solution, and we integrate that using some middleware called Jitterbit. It was quite a quick integration project, probably was up and working within a week. Business opportunities were better communication with our engineers, better customer satisfaction, I suppose, by providing a better sort of experience for the customer. Going from pen and paper to that sort of system was a challenge. In the early days it was a big challenge for some of our guys, but over the last sort of 6 months we think we've ironed out most of those issues, mainly because we've upgraded to the latest version of ServiceMax, which has got a better sort of offline sync capability. It's a bit more user friendly for the engineers, and I think we've done a couple of internal surveys which has also sort of shown us that they've taken to it really well now. I think they just know where they're going to be better, and they've got better information to hand. We had a lot of legacy data which wasn't passed on to the engineer always when they were going to a job, whereas now if the data is filled in correctly in the back office, it's pushed to the iPad, and they can use that. They can see all the past work orders that have been done at that site to see what's been done, who's been there. If they need to talk to another fellow engineer that went, say, a week before, they can do that. It's improved their lives because we do not dispatch an engineer without having the correct parts on site now. So whereas that was a problem area for us before, we now do not dispatch an engineer till he's got the part in his hands, which is all controlled through the ServiceMax app. In terms of I think customer satisfaction, in terms of getting better communications with our field service team and with our back office, has certainly improved. I think it's just changed just to be a lot more modern, a lot more customer responsive. We've seen a lot of other opportunities that come from having an iPad in the field, whereas we can now drive some other opportunities for the rest of the business in terms of service contracts and of further work that can be undertaken. It's improved the way we do business with our customer, and hopefully will give us more opportunities in the future.